We will assemble and calibrate microprocessor pH meter. First we will assemble the stand by putting in the bottom part of the stand into the cutout of the base. We will then rotate the stand to lock it in place. On the back of the pH meter we have sockets for temperature probe, pH electrode, RS232 sockets and a parallel socket. Now we will connect the temperature probe by inserting its connector into the temp socket. Next we will connect the pH electrode by plugging in the BNC connector into the pH socket. To lock the connector onto the socket we will rotate the connector clockwise on the socket. Now we will take out the pH electrode from the electrode storage solution bottle. To take it out we will gently pull the electrode out of the bottle while holding the bottle firmly. Now we will wash the temperature probe and pH electrode with distilled water. After washing them off we will wipe them with a tissue. Now we will turn on the pH meter by pressing the switch at the back of the pH meter. When the screen turns on we will press the PRG button to start calibration. Screen will show Calibrate, memory, date, time and print. We will select Calibrate by pressing ENT. On the next menu we will press ENT when the cursor is on pH. On the current menu there are two options. As we have two buffer solutions so we will select 2 points. For the first calibration we will take our 7 pH buffer solution and select BUF1 on the screen. Now we will submerge our pH electrode and temperature probe into the buffer solution. We will let the reading on the screen stabilize. Once the reading stabilizes we will press the ENT button. Now we will use DEC and INC buttons to select BUF2 and press ENT. Next we will take out the temperature probe and pH electrode out of the buffer solution and wash them with distilled water. Then we will wipe them off with a tissue. For second calibration we will take our 4 pH buffer solution and submerge our pH electrode and temperature probe into the buffer solution. We will let the readings stabilize and press ENT. After calibration is completed we will press Escape button to go back to home screen. Your pH meter is ready to be used. Thank you.